have no fucking reception for some dumbass reason. All the way on top. All the way on top. You got the whole cone. Grab the whole cone and eat it.
It's so big. Alright, tell me when. Tell me when the cone's coming.
Did you just say there's a shrimp?
Hurry.
Is the cone coming?
No.
I can see everything from this angle.
Be dead serious, bro.
Remember how you're doing this? Whole cone all the way on top and grab the whole cone and bite it.
No, it's just too much. That's tough. Oh my god, that's a big ass.
Oh fuck. You gotta do it, Corey.
Grab my ice cream.
Second time. Remember what I told you?
Thanks.
I don't even know if I